Every stock in the stock basket is under Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research coverage. The research team regularly provides updates in the form of review alerts to help you take necessary actions in your stock basket. This rebalancing information will be shared with you in multiple ways: app notifications, emails to your registered email ID, SMS to your registered mobile number. When you receive an InvesTiger app notification, you will be redirected to the dashboard, where the rebalancing information will be clearly visible. How to rebalance your stock basket? Click on the arrow inside the Review Alert section. On the Portfolio Review screen, review the details of rebalancing suggestions provided by our InvesTiger team. Click on Execute Order to proceed. The order confirmation screen will appear. Confirm the order to finalize the rebalancing. Once confirmed, you will see the order status indicating that your rebalancing order has been successfully placed. You can also check the status of your order in the order book.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.